Okay, so this video is to go along with the first exercise in your National 4 Numeracy revision booklet. It would help if you try the questions first before looking through these solutions, but if you're stuck, this will help you out. So, looking at the first question, we have a fridge which is selling for £600 plus VAT. So we have to find the total cost of the fridge, including VAT. So in all of these questions, VAT is going to be charged at 20%. So we have to work out, using that price of £600, what is the total cost. And that's the really important part, that it's the total that we're finding out, not just what the VAT is. So to find VAT, we need to find 20% of £600. In the unit assessment, you've got access to a calculator, so that's fine. We can look at starting with £600. We're working out 20%, so we're going to multiply it by 20 and then divide by 100. And if a percentage question asks you for another percentage, like 10% or 15%, just remember the times by the percentage and divide by 100 regardless. Okay. Using our calculator, we'll find that that is 120 pounds. Okay, but the question asks us to find the total cost, and as I keep on saying, you want to explain this to me or whoever's marking your assessment as if we were 5. So we want to make it very clear, even if we're using a calculator, that we are taking our £600 that we're adding on 120 to get the final answer, or a total cost of £720. So the cost of that television after VAT is £720. Right, let's look at another one. So David buys a flat screen TV, we're using TVs in this a lot, for £380 plus VAT. So what did he pay for the TV in total? Okay, ideally what you want to do is pause the video, have a wee try at doing this by yourself, and then come back and we will look at our solution. Okay, so £380. Again, let's use our calculators for this, so we're trying to work out our VAT. So 380 multiplied by 20 and divided by 100 will give us our VAT. So our VAT in this case is £76. Again, asking for the total cost, so we're going to take our £76. We are going to add that on to 380. Again, lay that out however you like. You can use a calculator as long as you are making it very clear to whoever is marking your work that you have added 380 and 76. So 380 plus 76, 456 pounds. And in this case, you've got access to a calculator. Don't make a silly arithmetic mistake. Use your calculator to check it unless you're really running out of time. Okay, let's look at one more. So our last question, a phone is advertised a phone at a price of £180 plus VAT. Okay, so for this one, just so you can see how it's done, I'm going to do it without using a calculator. I'll show you rather how you would do it without a calculator, because this could come up in your added value where you don't have access to a calculator for both parts. So without using a calculator, we have to think that 20% of something, well, that's the same as 20 out of 100, or 20 over 1,000, where we think that's a fraction. And if we were then to simplify that fraction down, it's exactly the same as 1/5. So if I want to find 20% of something, well, all I can do is look to divide it by 5. So 180 divide by 5. So 5 into 1, that doesn't go. I'll put 0 here as a little placeholder. And then 5 into 18 would go 3 times, because 3 5s make 15. And then we'll have a remainder of 3, and 5 into 30 is going to go 6 times. So the VAT on this phone would be £36. If I then wanted to work out the total cost, I would have 180 add 36. 0 and 6 would give me 6. 8 and 3 give me 11. 1 and 1 give me 216. And remember, our final answer, we need to have units, 216 pounds.